In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add special characters to your text on Visme. Whether you're working on a presentation, a poster, or a document, adding special characters can give your design that extra touch of flair and precision. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this seamlessly with Visme's intuitive tools. First, you'll want to start by selecting the text box where you'd like to insert the special character. Simply click on the text box in your Visme project. This is the area where your content is focused, and it's crucial because we need to make sure the special character is placed exactly where you want it in your text. Next, we'll venture into the text formatting toolbar, which is a vital resource for customizing your text. Here, look for the More or Advanced drop-down menu. This section typically houses advanced text options like line height and spacing. But for our purpose today, what we're interested in is what Visme terms their text formatting menu, which specifically includes the Special Characters option. Once you've found this drop-down, the next step is to insert your special character. Click on More, and you should see an option for Special Characters, or possibly labeled as Symbol. This is Visme's dedicated space for inserting a wide variety of symbols into your text. When you click on this option, a pop-up or menu will likely appear. This interface presents you with a library or grid of common special symbols from which to choose. Now, take a moment here to browse through these available symbols. From mathematical symbols to currency signs, arrows, and various punctuations, there's quite a diverse selection to fit numerous needs. Select the symbol that best suits your design or message. Once chosen, it will be inserted directly into your text box at the location of your cursor. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity and ease of integration. Whether you're looking to add a degree sign for a temperature reading or perhaps a trademark symbol for branding purposes, Visme makes it straightforward to enhance your document visually and contextually. As a pro tip, always preview your work after inserting a special character to ensure it aligns well with the rest of your text in terms of size and placement. Visme allows you to adjust the size of characters similarly to how you might edit regular text size, ensuring cohesive and visually appealing results. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding special characters to your Visme text boxes. It's a simple process, but one that can make a significant impact on the clarity and professional look of your final project. As always, feel free to experiment and see what combinations work best for your unique outline. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.